The round El Rey glass dome top cigar humidor. This humidor holds up to 150 cigars. It measures 15 3/4 inches wide, 10 1/4 inches deep, and 7 1/2 inches tall. It has a rich mahogany finish and a beautiful beveled, tempered glass dome top, which is pretty unique. On the front of the humidor, it has a brass lock and key. On the sides, there are brass handles, and the back of the humidor features a piano hinge as well as hidden quadrant hinges. Inside the humidor, there is a little tray that holds 2 round humidifiers and your glass hygrometer. This tray is movable and removable. It sits on top of a Spanish cedar tray that has a removable and movable divider, and under the tray there are 2 more dividers. The entire box is lined in kiln-dried Spanish cedar. This is the round El Rey glass dome top cigar humidor.